Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to enlarge your phone's keyboard for comfort. So first of all, what you have to do is open your phone's keyboard. For instance, to open your keyboard, you can either open your messaging app or Google Play Store and click on search. You can do anything to open your keyboard. So once your keyboard has been opened, for instance, I have installed Google Gboard. So what you have to do is click on this top left corner, click on this icon, and then you will be able to see a button called Resize. Simply you have to click on it, and then what you can do is press and hold, or you can touch and hold this icon, or this is the top side of the square, and you can drag it up as much as you want. As you can see, my keyboard is now resized into long keyboard. I can stretch it to half of my screen. Once I'm done, click on the tick button, and as you can see, I have resized my keyboard. You can also make it short by going to the same section and dragging it down. Your keyboard is now small. Now if you want to reset to the default settings, you can click on the refresh icon and your keyboard will go back to the default mode. And that's simply how you can resize your keyboard for comfort. So if you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.